Hello everyone. In this recording, I'm going to be showing you how to model your data in Vizzy and how to actually use filters and slicers in a dashboard view. So let's just get started. I pre-uploaded all these data sets here. I'm going to show in just a second how they look like in a data model view. So we have couriers, which has a courier ID, name, city, vehicle. And the good thing about Vizzy, when you upload any data, it automatically assigns the data type to it. So the courier ID would be like a key, primary key, or a number, unique identifier. Orders, same thing, restaurants and customers. Um, so what I went ahead and just connected and I did joins to create this data model. And you can see here the relationships between them. Courier ID to the courier ID, customer ID to the customers table here, and the restaurant ID to the restaurant ID here. So it's pretty easy and simple. You won't be doing much. Just have to connect the dots here um, and just get started. So I went ahead and did next um, is pretty much I had some questions that I wanted to answer using Vizzy. So here's my SQL behind it. So we want to check how many orders are there in total and how many were delivered. So there's like so many ways you could do this, but with Busy, it's just so easy. You can do it just with one bar chart. So I did it two ways or both ways. The first one is I created a KPI for the order ID count. So count of order ID. Let me update that. And when I just ran this here, and the second statement here is count order ID where the status is delivered, which is 341. This is the next thing that I created. See the dashboard here. So 341 as we saw, and the cancel is 79. So let me go back to the dashboard view. Um, so pretty much easy and simple. Just we added the count of the order ID. We add another bar just to answer our question. And what I went ahead and did next is a pretty game changer. So you could add slicers and filters in Vizzy. And whether it's a page one or page two, you could pretty much do the same here. So for instance, I wanted to add a slicer here for the, let's just say, delivery minutes. For the delivery minutes. So let's just have a quick analysis on the range, whether like if it's so many uh, minutes, whether it's going to be canceled or not. Let's just see if the data is valid or not. So let me just say 30 minutes. And let's see the old delivery. So that makes sense because if it's delivery minutes is between 18 and 30 minutes, it would be delivered. But let's just put it as maybe 50 to 75. Or let me just remove that for 18 to 75. And well, you know what? Let me just. So it makes sense. Like, let's see, it's 75, 75. Just 50, 18 to 75. And let me just add a quick slicer here. Add a slicer. The name. I'm just playing around with the data here. Let me just remove it. And let me clear all the slicers. So as you get questions like one-time question or something like this, you would want to answer it quickly and very efficiently. And if you have a visual to kind of present, that would be awesome. You could add a KPI here, maybe like a sum or an average or anything that's gonna be like added near. Let me just try to add it. No, let me just add a sum. No, let's just keep it off for now. Well, as we saw, here's a SQL behind it. You can write a SQL statement to get your answer from here, as a count or as a sum or as an average, and all these things. Or you could do it with Vizzy, and it's super easy and simple, and you could add charts and dashboards to your analysis. So the idea of Vizzy is it's not just um, there's another feature in Vizzy where you suggest KPIs, where you see like names or query rows or anything like that. That's pretty awesome just to add all of a sudden. But as we saw, it's not just about charts. If you want to answer questions with Vizzy, you can do that using charts or KPI cards or add filters in here, and it works pretty much as SQL, but you don't have to write any code behind it. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to be coming to my phone.